My name is Orup Sekia from Jamugurihat. We have performed traditional Assamese Bhavana internationally. That is not situated in North Bank, Jamugurihat. Internationally, Jamugurihat represents Assam in terms of Sankari culture. Mahaprabhu Sankardev is, we can say, architect of Greater Assam. Therefore, we have no constituency in the name of Jamugurihat until now. I request you kindly, sir, if you don't have any name, how will you represent in foreign land? This is matter of pride and honor of Jamugurihat. Therefore, the name of the constituency be converted to preferably Jamugurihat. If not, you do it northward. Secondly, that some areas added to Jamuguri constituency, proposed Jamuguri constituency, that area became very closer to us, for example, Pass Mile, because we have now bridge connectivity, Bhomaraguri bridge. Previously it was in a remote area, but now it became very closer to us. Therefore, they will have no any problem as long as geographical area is concerned. And thirdly, that Sotia area, we don't want that area. Its area should be cut off from us because independently Jamugurihat we want. And I repeat you, sir, at the end, Barase Horia Bhavana, that famous traditional Assamese Bhavana, it is happening from more than 200 years ago. And part of that drama, it was led by English Bhavana. I am director and scriptwriter, my old Sekya of that Bhavana. I have performed in many countries of the world in the name of Jamugurihat and in the name of Assam. Therefore, in the name of Mahaprabhu Sankardev, great saint of Assam, that name should be Jamugurihat. Thank you. Jamugurihat or northward. Thank you.